In a sunlit meadow, Oliver the curious fox folds a shimmering paper airplane. His friends, Mimi the mouse, Benny the bunny, and Lila the ladybug, gather for the grand paper airplane race. With a whoosh, their creations soar over rainbow ponds and giggling flowers. Suddenly, Mimi's plane gets caught in a breeze. Working together, the friends guide it safely back, cheering all the way. They learn that every airplane flies differently, just like everyone's ideas. With laughter and music swirling, they celebrate teamwork, creativity, and the magic of trying something new.